So I have Mike Gesicki, who I absolutely love here. And Mike Gesicki to me is an extremely, extremely talented player, and he's entering year 3 with the Miami Dolphins. Good athlete, good pass catcher, and I don't really know if it matters whether it's Ryan Fitzpatrick or Tua, because Fitzpatrick has shown that he's going to really force targets to one guy if he likes him. And Tua, well, I think we know what Tua can be.
Yeah, kind of had a mini breakout last year, Mitch.
Yep.
Over 500 yards, had the 5 touchdowns. You know, what does a good young quarterback need? How about a reliable tight end? Can Mike Gesicki be that guy moving forward for the Miami Dolphins? Tua is certainly hoping so.
So one of the divisions that's giving me the most trouble, and maybe everyone who's watching right now can help settle this debate, who's going to win the AFC East? So if you think it's going to be the Buffalo Bills, I want you to type Buff. If you think it's the Jets, NYJ. If you think it's going to be the New England Patriots, type NE. If you're going to go with the Miami Dolphins, I want you to type MIA. So who's going to win the AFC East? I want you to let us know in the comment section below.